Do you know many people are having trouble with setting their oven clock? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate display. Locate the programmer clock on the oven's digital display and observe the flashing indicator for setting the time. Step 2. Adjust time. Press the time adjustment buttons together, adjusting using increase or decrease button until reaching the correct time. Step 3. Confirm time. Confirm the time setting by pressing confirm or waiting 5 seconds for it to auto-confirm the selected time. Step 4. Set duration. For setting cooking durations, select your function, temperature, and use the timer button to set desired duration. Step 5. Activate settings. Activate settings by waiting a few seconds until the current time and symbol appear, confirming programmed cooking is set. Step 6. Reset program. To reset, press the reset buttons together and switch off the oven if it's running after resetting. Now you should be able to set the clock and manage settings on your Smeg FS9606AS oven with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Smeg users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.